crazy, bro.
She pulled up and was like, I was like, yep, I already knew it was happening.
All right, boys, straight into the video. We got Lexus ISF right here. Ooh, this thing pulls hard. The Lexus ISF is literally one of my dream cars. I've been wanting one of those for maybe about the past 2 years, and hopefully sometime this year I can pull the trigger on one. Let's go ahead and try a third gear pull. I actually completely forgot to mention, I finally got some new tires. They are the Toyo R888s, and I am now running a slightly wider setup. So previously I was running 215s, and now I am running 235s. So they are hooking much better when they are hot, but I still can't hook second gear. Maybe if I perform a burnout, then I could possibly hook second gear. But as of right now, I still can't hook second gear, but third gear is much more better. I just want to make sure my coolant level is all good. There's no leaks or anything. Everything does look really good. All right, boys, just got some E85. Let's go do some more pulls. Let's go and hit this turn. I'm actually low-key scared. I got grippier tires. Oh! Third gear was hooking much better than my old tires for sure. Let's test out second gear. Let's see if it spins. All right, we're in second gear. It spins a little bit, a lot. Let's go ahead and try that again. Oh. Hopefully I don't break an axle. Actually, let's not do first gear. I'm gonna put it in second gear. Holy shit. Woo! Oh man, I set the alarms. This is like the most quiet exhaust system you could ever buy. The Q300. Should I scare this guy? He for surely got scared. Alright, I'm gonna do a second gear. Second gear pull. Starting to hook a little bit more better. I feel like the tires have been broken in now. If you're ever going through something, it just feels good to just go on a night cruise. A cruise, blasting some music, that's literally the best. I was gonna pop it in first gear, but I really don't want to risk breaking an axle. On the scan, show me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. jump too. Oh man. Good shit, bro. That's what's up. Yeah, tap in. My IG is TheBoyWithTheHonda. My Instagram is TheBoyWithTheHonda. Tap in. I love people who are humble when it comes to runs. Like at the end of the day, it's just all for fun. Obviously the Scat Pack is a big engine while it's heavy, while this car is 400 wheel horsepower and it is fairly light, so it kind of weighs out. Doing the Scat Pack actually wants the video, so I'm just gonna give him my info and stuff. Hop out. Oh, Chevy SS coupe. Hell yeah, brother, that shit go crazy.
Oh yeah, I know.
That shit go crazy, bro.
She pulled up and was like, I was like, yep, I knew it was coming.
Bro, that shit go crazy though, bro. What's done to it?
Oh no, it's nothing.
Oh, stop?
Yeah, stop.
Oh, that's what's up, dude. This shit's dope.
Only thing I did was a bit muffler delete. That's about it.
Oh, really? Actually just made a really good friend. That dude was really humble. We're chatting up for like about cool 15 minutes. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you leave a like and comment for your boy, and I'll definitely make more videos like this.